Hi everybody, hope you guys are looking forward to your big golf trip coming up soon. Let's take a look at this weather pattern that's setting up here over the next week to 10 days. And right now we've got kind of a west to east flow as we head through the weekend. We've got a front coming down. It's going to bring rain and snow to the northeast. As we get further out into this pattern, it's going to start to turn more and more colder in the east. We've got another system coming down. We've got a ridge in the west, general trough in the east, and initially we have some rain coming up for about the middle of next week. A lot of cold air in Canada is going to want to sink south gradually as we head through the next couple of weeks. And we're going to see shots of cold air coming south. So timing that and any potential disturbances in the flow is going to be a big part of this forecast coming up as we go forward. Let's take a look at a couple models precipitation-wise. European model, sunny night, front off the coast. We head through the middle of next week. Here comes the next storm system. Looks pretty wet on Wednesday. The good news is, for those of you playing in Myrtle Beach, Thursday should be drying out, maybe breezy. We should be all right there. And as we head toward the weekend, I'm going to be watching a disturbance here. The models are having a hard time handling this. Here's the European model holding moisture back to the west on Saturday. Now let's take a look at a different model, the US GFS model. And then it has that front coming through Wednesday, just like the European. Similar timing. Looks like it's out of the way for Thursday as far as rain goes. And then as we head through later next week, that system we showed on the European, that stays pretty far to the north. So a huge difference in the models. And that could affect both the temperature and precipitation chance for next weekend across the deep south. Hoping to keep it dry. I'm thinking it's going to be on the chilly side. Highs from Friday through Sunday of next week around 50, most likely. But that could change a little bit either way. Let's take a look at some preliminary numbers here. In Myrtle Beach, there's that Wednesday rain. Thursday looks like highs in the 50s. And again, beyond that, I think it's going to be tough to get much above 50 degrees. But we may at least have dry weather, so it could be a little bit of a trade-off there. And for traveling purposes, coming from Raleigh, wet Wednesday, drying out and turning cooler for Thursday. We'll give you another update Sunday night. Should have a better idea on some of the details, more exact details on the trip as we get a little bit closer.